Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can check if your Xiaomi smartphone is real or not. Okay, there are some ways for it. Let me show you the first one. Let's go to the dialer form and dial now at the keypad *#06#. Then you should see this one here, your IMEI numbers and the serial number. And these numbers you can compare now with the box, which one comes along with the phone. Here we have the serial number and below you will have the IMEI numbers. Okay, and you can double check these IMEI numbers here at a special test mode. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down right next to the camera, go to the symbol for the settings and go on about phone. Now we will need all specs. If you scroll up a bit, you will have the point kernel version. And we have to tap that kernel version number now for 5 times. And we are in this special test mode. If you go now on check version info, on the first point, you will have now here again the IMEI numbers and as well the serial number. And you can compare them, of course, again with the box. And if here is everything okay, that's a very good sign. But I really recommend to you to go also to a special website on Xiaomi because they can check again with these IMEI numbers here if your phone is real or not. I've linked it below in the description again. And this is how it looks like. So here you can enter the IMEI number or the serial number. So let's take maybe here the IMEI number from the example. And if you're ready with, you need to enter the verification code. So this one here, just enter the verification code, tap down on verify, and you will see that message here, everything is fine. Okay, and if you want to finish later the test center here, just tap here on the home button and you're back at the regular mode. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it and answer the question. And I hope that your phone is original. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.